Lesson number 3. What is the vision for MakerDAO? The Maker Protocol was created to help people around the world unlock access to the global financial marketplace. Maker provides financial tools and resources for users like Margaret that are secure, stable, and transparent. Users only need a crypto wallet and some crypto. With just these two things, anyone can securely generate DAI by opening a Maker Vault. There's no involvement from a bank or set repayment terms. Maker users pay DAI back to their vaults whenever they like, or not at all if they don't want to. Margaret has a friend named Pablo who lives in a country with hyperinflation. His local currency is constantly declining in value. He also doesn't have access to a US dollar bank account. To help protect his savings, earnings, or portfolio, Pablo could purchase DAI from a cryptocurrency exchange. Holding DAI offers a low barrier to entry solution for storing value without having to worry about inflation and price volatility. Pablo could also put his DAI in a DAI savings rate contract, helping to secure DAI's value and earning more DAI in the process. Today, Maker Vaults accept a variety of cryptocurrencies as collateral for generating DAI. Each cryptocurrency is voted on by MKR holders. In the future, MakerDAO hopes to take a major step forward in improving blockchain scale and growth by adding support for real-world collateral assets like gold, tokenized real estate, and blockchain-based bonds. Maker also envisions a world with greater financial transparency. Because DAI is collateralized by crypto on public blockchains rather than dollars in private bank accounts, the value of individual vaults can be confirmed by anyone, not just by select employees of a single bank. Anyone with an internet connection can monitor the health of the system, token supply, collateral amounts, current fees, and more by visiting DAIstats.com. This site hosts important stats about Maker that are free to access and verifiable via the blockchain. As DeFi becomes more popular, MakerDAO hopes that this level of transparency, coupled with decentralized governance, will increase economic empowerment for users across the world.